ManyChat tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about an incredible software called ManyChat, and you can use this incredible software to drive higher conversions and sales with Instagram DM marketing. So what you do in this software is you basically use it to actually innovate your brand. You chat with people, you send them your ads, you send them your campaigns, and a whole lot more. Okay, and we're going to be talking about all of that in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to manychat.com. And over here, what you're going to see is it tells you how you can use ManyChat with Instagram. Okay, you're going to use the real power of Instagram DMs, attract quality leads, drive more sales, and reply to conversations 24/7 with the Instagram DM marketing. Now, basically, if we are to go to discuss the plans, we have three different plans for this: the free plan, the pro plan, and the elite plan. Now, the free plan is a small $0 price, the pro plan is $15 per month, and the elite plan is a custom plan that you can chat with the users to get affiliated with. Now, you can also see the different, features and capabilities that it brings you with these plans. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on get started with the free plan currently. Now, once you have gone ahead with the free plan, here it's going to ask where would you like to start. Now, it's totally dependent on you on whichever platform you want to go with. It could be Insta, it could be Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever you want it to be. Okay. Now, personally, I'm going to go with Facebook Messenger. All right. Now, once we're over here, it's going to ask you to authenticate your account. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and verify with at least one of your accounts that you choose. So it could be Instagram, it could be Facebook, whatever you choose, you are going to want to connect and authenticate your account. Okay. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, I have connected my Facebook. It says, what is your email address? Okay. So we're going to add our email address right here and click on next. Now, once you do that, what it's going to do is it's going to send you a code. I just received my code. It is 3976. So 3939176. Now, once we've done that, we've verified ourselves. So it says, what type of company do you work for? So you can select your company type from this section over here. So let's say I'm going to go with marketing agency. Okay, that is what I run. What is my role? I am going to go with marketing specialist, and I'm going to go with a 5 to 20 size. Now, once we've done that, click on next. And now it says we found 3 Facebook pages managed by you. Okay. So, do you want to create a new page that you can from this section, or do you want to use the current pages? So I'm going to go with the current pages that I have, the Jason's Apparel page, which is basically about fashion, clothing, and different types of clothes that I sell out. Now, here it says get pro features free for 14 days, where you can actually, activate a trial for yourself. Now, obviously, you are going to have to use your credit card in this. So if you're comfortable doing that, you can go ahead and activate your pro trial. I'm going to go with the free plan for now. It says, what is the primary purpose of creating your account? That could be business use, client needs, personal use, educational testing, others, whatever you have. I'm going to go with business use or personal use. Okay, one of the other. Now, how do you intend to use ManyChat? You have short-term projects, ongoing activities, both. I'm going to go with both and click on next. What best describes your intents to use ManyChat? I'm going to go with testing and evaluation and click on next. Now it says, congratulations, Jason's Apparel is now connected. So what you're going to do is you're going to finally click on let's start, and it's going to bring you right here into ManyChat's very own dashboard. Now this is what their dashboard looks like. Okay, as you can see, it's not too difficult to work along with it, because the user interface is extremely easy and the ease of use is oozing out of the platform. All right, so here in the home section you have, as you can see, your name. It gives you the connected channel. It also tells you where you can start. So you can start from capturing customer data with a lead magnet, where a lead magnet is used to capture qualified emails. You can use a quiz to qualify the leads, and use Facebook ads leads to nurture your messenger marketing campaigns. Okay, so you can go through with this. Okay, this is something that is pretty simple to have in your social media platform in the case that you're doing business on it. Now we move over to contacts. Okay. The contact section is where you can pretty much either create new contacts or import old ones. So let's say I'm going to go over to create new contact, add their name. Let's skip the phone number and email. We have the gender. And once we have added all these things, let's go ahead and add a phone number and click on create. Okay. Now it's dependent on you on which country code you want to add their phone number with. So let's say I'm gonna add this phone number right here. Now, once you've done that, you're simply going to click on create, and there we go. We now have created a contact or a lead. Okay. So we've generated them in this section. Now, let's say you want to import a big number of leads at one time and you don't want to, do it one by one slowly. So for that, you're going to click on import. Now, the import feature is for the pro plan. Okay. But it is a very fun feature because it also provides you with the AI. Okay. The AI basically enhances your response accuracy with ManyChat AI, lets AI step streamline your conversations, struggles. If you struggle with writing, it crafts messages for you, and you can bypass complex setups and seamlessly automate flows by simply talking to AI's flow builder. Okay, so this is the contact section. Now, once you've created a contact, you can actually go ahead and subscribe them to your very own custom sequences. You can pause the automation with them currently. You can also start a chat with them directly through SMS on the ManyChat platform. All right. Now let's move over to automation. The main thing we're here for. So this is basically where you're going to be creating your first automation. So to create one, you're simply going to click on new automation. Now here it says recommend top templates to power up your Facebook. You can, capture customer data, use quizzes, etc. It goes on. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one and I'm going to click on setup the template. Now, once you click on setup template, it's going to basically, create everything from scratch that it has in its system. And, if we go ahead and zoom in to the whole page, you can see how it looks. So first of all, we have step one over here. This ready to use automation is great fit when you need and use a lead magnet. It collects emails. You create the keyword that you'll be using for this lead magnet. And so it goes on. So obviously it is pretty difficult stuff to get your head around, but this is what you get and it looks pretty cool, right? So now what you're going to do is once you think everything is good to go, you can click on set live, or if you want to personally add something in these steps, you can do that as well through plus sign over here, which lets you add elements into your automation. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward. But once you've liked your automation, simply click on set live. And again, you are going to need the pro platform to set it live. But yeah, that is how easy and simple it is to create automation. And you can also move over to live chats where you can manage all of your Facebook chats in one place. Okay, that's one of the greatest things about ManyChat. You don't have to switch platforms. You can manage it all. So yeah, that's basically the main idea of ManyChat and how you can use this incredible chat and automation platform for your social media and actually gain a lot of leads and drive more sales for your platform and whatever you're trying to represent on your social media. So, yeah, that's the main idea of ManyChat and how you're going to be using it. Now, if you have any confusion in this video so far, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be, fixing that as soon as I can for you. Also, you can work around in the settings section to connect more channels for yourself. So if you're using this platform for, multiple social medias, that is also viable where you can connect multiple channels at one time. Okay. So these are different things that you're going to want to keep an idea of. But yeah, till then, that is pretty much all there is from my side. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching and I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.